Okay, Po Jun. Literally, if I were to translate this Po Jun into English, it means it's a broken enemy. But of course, it does not make sense. Po Jun is a person. Okay, the keyword hooligan may be a bit strong. It doesn't mean that everybody that is a destruction star is a hooligan. You know what is a hooligan, right? Anybody don't know what is a hooligan? In some country, they don't know. A gangster, lah. A gangster. It does not automatically mean that this person is a gangster or hooligan. It's just saying that this person has the potential to become such thing. If the environment is supportive, is good, then probably he will not be. But when the environment is not good, if you mix with the wrong people, wrong group of people, then there's a high chance that he will turn himself into such kind of people. Usually, people who are destruction style, they don't really speak a lot. That is to say, their social skill also like that. Not so effective. But when they do things, they do first. That means when they want to do certain things, they do first. They will not tell you first. After they do already, then they tell you. Or even if they never tell you, you have to discover yourself. You should say, that means they don't really follow orders. A bit troublesome. That means if you have a worker or stuff like that, or a friend like that, they will just do things without even asking you or consult you. And then when things happen already, then you discover already, then you ask them, so then it's a bit too late already. Okay. And can be quite risky and creative. Okay, that means they're a risk taker. They like to take risks. Cunning and super aggressive. If in the negative state, they can be very cunning and very aggressive. That means the word to use is go back to the same word, hooligan. That means when they're aggressive, they can verbally, physically can be violent. The words coming out from the mouth can be quite destructive. It's an extreme destructive. That means all the X, Y, Z, A, B, C words will come out one. All the very not nice words to say, they will come out one. Violent is nothing for them. It's normal. Okay. So which means that people who have this kind of stars associated with them, just be mindful, especially let's say next time you got children under this kind of category. Have to mold, have to train, have to give them the right attitude, right guidance, or else they'll be easily led astray. Go to the wrong path, then that's it. Okay. So gambler, wasteful. Okay. Gambler, as we know, they like to gamble. Wasteful means they do things they don't really consider too much. Resource can be wasted, money can be wasted, relationship can be wasted. Business can be wasted also. So in a way that whatever happened to them, seriously, they don't really care. They don't really care. They really don't bother about this kind of thing. Okay. All right, so that is for destruction. One of the not so great. Okay. The destruction star, they like to order people also. They like to command people. Not saying that they have leadership, but they like to give command. Different from a Ziwei person. Comparatively, Ziwei is high up there, they command you. Disruptive, Po Jun may not be high up there. And they like to command people. Different level. Okay. That's for destruction style.